The bonus question is a little bit different because we have a leading coefficient that's not 1, and typically we only use complete the square when the leading coefficient is 1. And if you refer back to your notes, anytime the leading coefficient is something different, the way that you handle that is by dividing everything in the equation by that value. So our leading coefficient is 2. That means we're going to divide everything on both sides of the equation by 2. So 2x squared divided by 2, you would just get x squared. 20x divided by 2, that's going to be plus 10x. I'm going to leave some space. Negative 36 divided by 2 is negative 18. So now it's ready to go. We have the x squareds and x's on one side of the equation, constant is on the other, and our leading coefficient is now 1. So we can take our b value, the new b value is 10, divide it by 2, which is 5, and square it, so we get 25. So add 25 to both sides. This allows us to factor the left side to the quantity x plus 5 squared. Negative 18 plus 25 is 7. And now we solve by square roots. So you can take both the positive and negative square root of both sides. So you get x plus 5 equals both positive and negative, what is that, 2.65. So we set up two equations. X plus 5 equals positive 2.65. X plus 5 equals negative 2.65. And taking away 5 from both of those, you get x equals, the first one, 2.65 minus 5 is going to be negative 2.35. And negative 2.65 minus 5 is going to be negative 7.65. And there we go.